everybody. Level 3 class, and we were talking about 1 foot free spin. So we will start from their feet apart, and we go slowly. We lift our heels slowly up, and we put our heels slowly down. And we were checking if our weight is going to the outer side of the feet, that our outer ankles go to the side. So we need to suck our outer ankles in and press more with the ball under our big toe. So that's why, so not like this, but more like this. And we go slowly down, trying to not fall into our heels. And then we were talking about how to generally keep our balance. So we need to think about engaging muscles of the front part of the body, back part, and side of the body. So if you just engaging the back side, the back muscles, you will fall to the back because front side doesn't work. If you will engaging only front side, you will fall forward. If you're just one side, you will fall to the side. So you need to kind of like make adjustment and put everything together to keep your balance. So then we try to on one feet. So we go up and we go down, trying to suck outer ankle in and press with the ball under the big toe. So it takes time to train yourself. So then we were doing turns. So we prepare ourselves. So we twist to the left for the preparation, and then we did just 90-degree turn, trying to pull ourselves up to engage the whole muscles and not to go to the outer. Press with the ball under the big toe. So then we did 180 degree, so just half of the circle, and then we did a whole circle, trying to keep yourself on the leg return. So yeah. Then we did double turn. Okay, so then we did in a couples. So we tried this. The leaders was the wall. The followers were turning. So I will return. You just said here. So we were prepared, and then you turn. So and I was talking about the pectoral muscles, the big and small pectoral muscles that link our rib cage and our shoulders. So you need to, like a rubber